Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia K5 GT line. This one's finished in sapphire blue over the black interior. K5 is the new replacement for the Optima in North America. I do believe it's always been the K5 in European markets, so it's a really well designed car. All the design elements I'm a huge fan of, especially those amber running lights. You know, kind of how it goes. It's like a check mark. It's really cool. GT line comes with P0 all-season tires. Really good tire. I have it on my car. Great amount of rear seat room, good amount of headroom. Total price of $28,110. This is the front wheel drive premium package, and the carpeted floor mats are the only options on this one. Wireless charger. There we go. Now it's fully prepped. You have a bunch of different drive modes. You can head over into Sport. You have Sport, Custom, Smart, Normal. Defaults to Normal automatically. Oh, that's pretty cool. And you can see it's all really nice. This is your screensaver, so when you shut the screen off, it defaults to the analog clock. Nice backup camera. You can set it for right to the back of the car as well. If you're backing up against another vehicle and you want to get nice and close, you can use that. But yeah, let's go for a drive. I'm a huge fan of these things. You also have auto hold, so you can take your foot off the brake while at a red light. 1.6 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. I think it's right about 170 horsepower, 190 pound-feet of torque, give or take. You also have steering assist, which I'll go ahead and enable here. So when it detects lane lines, it can actually help the car steer. I mean, it doesn't work on big corners or if the lanes are a little bit unmarked. But no, it's a pretty great system. I really like it. Once you get below a certain speed, it's going to disable itself, or when you activate the turn signal. Here's an example of it. Detects the corner. It detects it will do some input, but it won't. Once it detects the corners too sharp for the computer to handle, it will ask you to take over. Let's talk about the driving dynamics of the K5. It's actually a really sporty feeling chassis. It's very neutral, especially in the all-wheel drive. This is a front-wheel drive trim, so you'll get a little bit of understeer here and there, but that's when you're really pushing it. Back end feels really planted. You do feel sat down low to the ground. It's a very sport feeling experience, something I really wasn't expecting. Definitely excited to try out the GT and really get a feel for the sportiest version. GT line's more of an appearance package than anything, no real performance mods, but still a lot of fun. It's an absolute riot. And you'll see just how neutral the chassis is. And that comes down to the Pirellis too. The Pirellis are a great tire. Very sticky all season. All in all, the K5 is a huge upgrade over the Optima. I mean, this thing's next level for very much the same price as the Optima. It's pretty crazy how good Kia is becoming at making affordable, fun to drive luxury cars, and the K5 is just another example of that. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.